Okay, this model kit review is of the Mig-27, also known as the Flogger, the D series. It's a 1/72nd scale model by Hasegawa, and there's a finished model, I guess 2 different versions. And there's some additional model pictures there. And some details there. Details about the plane. So let's have a look at the inside. So this does look like, as you said, an older model kits, but Hasegawa is usually pretty good quality. So let's have a look here at our, this is part of our fuselage, nicely molded, actually very crisp and clear. We've got raised panel lines. Here's the underside here with our wheel wells. Here's our nose for the fuselage and cockpit. Air intakes will go over there. We have no detail there on the inside of the cockpit, but we'll look elsewhere. Here's the air guides or vents for the air intakes. We've got our Gatling gun. Also have some detail here on the inside of our wheel well covers. There are our wheels. Not sure why we have holes in them. We've also got our pylons. These are our rocket pods. These are actually nicely molded. Got some missiles and bombs. Here's our swing wing, and these are molded as one piece. We've got our elevators here, and there's our tail. There's our air intakes. We've got ejection seats. It's got a front wheel there. Here's our nose gear and main gear. We've got a little pilot. This is actually all quite well molded. I'm surprised even for this older model kit. Here are our fuel tanks and bombs, as well as wheel well covers with some nice detail there. That's actually surprising. It's good detail. Here is our cockpit canopy. Okay, here are our decals. Not a lot of detail there on the decals, unfortunately. Okay, so here are some details about the plane. And we'll start over here with our cockpit. That's then put inside the front of the fuselage with the nose. Here's our pilot. These are our bombs and fuel tank and rockets and so on. We put our main gear together and put the fuselage and swing wing together. Then we glue all of that together, including our exhausts and cockpit canopy and tail and elevators and so on. Here's the air intake going in there, and then we've got our looks like the fins, the ventral fins, and I think they're called strakes. We've got our main gear with wheel well covers going on, and then it shows you the angle of our main gear, and then our weapons systems. Then we've got our painting and decal guide. So 2 different options there. So actually molding quality is actually surprisingly good. Decals aren't great, but overall that should be a good build.